Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's chocolate custard made in the Thermomix. What we're going to do is add our sugar to the Thermomix jug.
All of it?
All of it. And press next. Then we're going to add our corn flour. I'm actually using custard powder because I just like it.
Currently we're making chocolate custard. And you might want to have some help if you're a child.
Then we add our lid and our measuring cup. Next.
This one?
And then we turn this around quickly to speed 9. Turn it right around to 9. Keep going, keep going. And stop. It'll stop itself. Okay, then we press next. We scrape down the sides. We've got a bit of a flour storm happening in there. What are we doing? Okay, then next we add 2 eggs. Here's 1 egg.
Okay, 1 egg.
1 egg. Yep. Okay. You crack the other egg.
I'm gonna crack another egg. Ready, Sasha.
You're gonna need another egg. I will show you how to fix this, alright?
Okay, now we just made a mess with the raw egg.
We did. Lucky our bench is nice and clean. And we're gonna try
Egg.
2 in with our egg. Yeah.
Add with another egg.
Then we add our milk.
Oh, I love milk.
I know. It's good for you.
And then...
Okay, then next we insert the lid. Just press it down. Next. And I need you to turn it around to number 4. So turn it around. Here, watch.
It's not locked.
It will. Turn it around to number 4. That's it, that's it. Okay, the Thermomix will tell us when it is ready to serve, and it is lovely and thick and creamy. Very hot. We are just going to add our chunks. Okay, tip it in. Careful, doesn't splash you. Alrighty, there you go. And then we put that back on and we just put it on reverse speed. Yeah, and turn it, and then turn the dial to 2. That's 2 in reverse speed. And that's going to melt the chocolate.
We are making some chocolate custard. We are making some chocolate custard. We are making chocolate custard.
We are making chocolate custard. We are
making
chocolate
custard.
Right, finish.
I hope you like our sound. Oh, yes.
Alrighty, look at that.
Wow. That's
Now,
chocolate custard.
you have to step away because it's going to be too hot for you. And I'll pour it into your bowl and you have to let it cool right down. Okay?
That has raw egg.
They won't by the time we put this in here, it'll be fine. This is boiling, okay? And all the chocolate's all melted. Oh my goodness, look how delicious that is. Okay. Hope you enjoyed our little cooking demonstration with a Thermomix. Made in a few minutes. You can fill up those little sippers with this for lunches for the kids. And look what we've got there. I have to let this cool. Impatient Miss can't wait. And we'll see what it tastes like. Thanks for watching.
Nanny, I want my custard. Can I have it?
Yeah, see if it's not too hot first. Tell me what you think of it. There you go.